Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable navigation gestures and bring back the old school style of 3-button navigation on your Google Pixel 8a. So out of the box, navigation gestures are enabled on the Google Pixel 8a, and this is how they work. You have to swipe from either edge to go back, or you can swipe up to access the home. However, if you do not like this style, you want the old school 3-button navigation mode, all you need to do is go into settings, tap on search, settings, and herein type in navigation. As soon as you type in navigation, you will get option for navigation mode or gesture navigation. Both of them are going to take you to the same page. So we're going to select gesture navigation, and bam, here it is. You can see that gesture navigation right now is enabled, but if you want the old school 3-button style, tap on this option, 3-button navigation. On the bottom we have our 3 buttons. This is to go to home, this here is to go back, and this option here is for recents. Another customization you can do over here is if you go back into your gesture navigation and you go into the settings icon or the gear icon beside the 3-button navigation, you can also enable hold home to search, and once you do that, press and hold, and that is going to invoke circle to search on your Google Pixel 8a. And there it is peeps, that is how you disable your navigation gestures and go back to the old school 3-button navigation style on the Google Pixel 8a and bring back the back button.